Hi guys, Joe here. Today we're going to look at the Olight Perun 3 Premium. This is a very cool flashlight. I'm going to use as a head torch. And let me show you all the specs right now and then get into it. So how do flashlights go? This is one of the cooler ones. I shall show you that in a minute. This is just a bit that tells you to take off the covers for the batteries because they are covered while transport. But this is some cool features on this. Let's get into it. First off, if you look at it, it looks like a headphones case, but it's really cool design, very sleek. I wish more companies did this, honestly, but it looks very nice. When you open it, there's a protection cover down there and also on the torch, so keep that in mind. Tells you how much the battery charge has left, so you can leave this in there to charge. You can turn it on while it's in the case. Also, if you close the case on there, it does turn it off. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So it does come with some instructions, the charging cable. So it is USB-C charging on that. That charges the case up. And you do get a headband with it. Headband is quite nice, has a grippy side on there. There's no overhead bit, but I've been using this and then this is quite good enough and it will stay. Now this clip here, let me just show you a second, because this is how I've been using it. So you see the clip here. On here it has a push button. So you push these in. So you take the little clip there, try and do it from behind the camera. Put that in the hole, and then you press this, and it locks right in there. And now it can swivel when you want, which was very handy. And then when you want to let go, there. So like I said, I've been using it as a head torch. So it's pretty simple. Turn it on, hold the button down, and it'll cycle through all the settings. I'll put all the specs on the screen at some point. But double click, you have red, hold down red, and it'll cycle through flashing, high, and then low, which is handy for map reading or nighttime use around camp. And then go back to white. But let's just take us out for a walk now and I'll show you more of the features of it. All right, here we go. Going for a walk. It's on high, that's off. That's moon, which I'm not sure you can see that. It's about there. I need a bit more. Right, so now we're walking. Definitely enough night to walk in. Okay, let's get to our little spot we have. So here you are, very easy to swivel. So very easy to swivel. And you can see really well. I mean, this is a nice flashlight. And the button on the side is quite nice. I prefer it that way. So this is the low, as you can see. You got medium, high, and that's turbo. Like I said, I put the specs on the screen. That is bright. But it's nice if you had a map in your hand like this. You don't have to like adjust your head a certain way. You just turn it down. That's so much more easy. But I definitely prefer that. So I have another cheap one, and it's just wherever you look is like up here. It's not like if I want to move my eyes and look down and keep my head up. Say I wear glasses. That's so much easier. But let's see distance-wise. So here we are distance-wise. We can get that tree down there, which is our normal tree we'd use. And looks nice. All right, so again, there's low. I'm not sure how much you can see. There's medium. No, that's low. So you got low, medium, high. Let me go back up. Medium, high. And then you have your turbo. Very good. So this is what I've been personally using it for. Is I've been working on my camper van, getting it ready for the Bushcraft show. And I'm not going to show you underneath because I don't want to crawl underneath again. But let me show you the engine where I've been working. So again, plenty of light, very easy to focus. Say if I'm working on this, but you know, I just want to get down a little bit. This is so easy to do. I'll go through the modes again. So low, medium, high, and then there you go, your turbo. And I did all the work I had to do. I did mess up my fan belt. I'm not going to show you that because it won't focus on it, but we're going to fix that. And then this van's up to go and everything's ready, which would be really cool. Hope to see you guys at the Bushcraft show if you do go. But again, I can't say any more good things about this head torch. I do like it. So again, I can't say enough good things about this. Currently it's on sale. I'll put the information on the screen, but get yourself a nice deal while it's on sale. Like if you're going out filming, if you like doing the filming stuff, or if you're just going out for an overnighter, having a battery pack with you, which is so much easier to use. I think it charges it from 0 to full in an hour, a little over an hour. So it's just, again, it's really handy. Really good deal at the moment. So take some time, go check them out. So this is the Olight Perun 3, and definitely one to get. Thanks guys for watching. Again, I'll put all the links in the description box below. Please go check them out. Thank you. Bye.